How to change caption text size and style on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Hearing Enhancement. After click on hearing enhancement, you will see second option is live caption. Click on live caption. Scroll down. Scroll down and click on caption preference. After click on caption preference, you will see caption size and style is here. So click on caption size and style. And if you want to change text size, click on text size. So you will select very small, normal, large, very large. After select normal, you will see text size is change on normal. If you want to change caption style, click on caption style. You will see 6 different caption style is here, so you will select one. After select caption size, you will see text size and caption size is change. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change caption, text, size and style on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.